Melgard relies on the aged pension and her savings to survive. Life for the 69-year-old should get a little bit easier. Now interest rates are rising again.
I was extremely pleased. I've been waiting for it for a long time.
Inga lives a frugal life. Poor health meant she had to retire early. With record low interest rates, she's been earning next to nothing in the bank.
Anything that I have in savings is being whittled away quite rapidly. When I first retired back in 2006, I could easily earn 10% on a interest-bearing savings account, which meant I could actually support myself.
After the May rate hike, 97% of lenders raised their variable home loan rates, while 58% increased at least one savings account. This month, 21% have so far raised their variable rates and 14% have hiked their savings accounts, including the Commonwealth Bank, Macquarie and ING.
The best rates you can get on term deposits and other savings accounts is 2-3 times the average rate, so do not settle for average.
Australians are holding on to more than $1.2 trillion in savings. Steve Mickenbecker from the financial comparison site CanStar says rising interest rates will cost the banks more to retain deposits.
They're not really draining or leaking any deposit monies at the moment. The time will come though where deposit rates, savings rates, grow and outstrip the home loan rates. That's the typical pattern that we see as rates rise.
Banks tend to make more money when interest rates go up, and right now they're trying to widen their profit margins by keeping savings rates on hold. Even those that are being raised require you to lock in your money for up to 2 years.
We can see banks now seem to be scrambling to basically increase term deposit rates. This creates a degree of complexity on the margin that had not been expected.
Analysts warn banks could be hit with bad debts if there is a recession and potentially face a higher wage bill.
Well, the Finance Sector Union probably will try and get 6% pay rises. You've got the risk that some of the banks might even have to top up their loan loss provisions, and perhaps the capital positions aren't as strong as we had thought. There's a lot of negatives to basically unpack there.
Ben Horn is still waiting for his bank to lift his savings rate as he tries to get a deposit together to buy his first family home.
If the banks are able to charge you more to borrow money from them, it stands to reason that you as a customer of the bank should be able to get a little bit of an incentive from it as well if you're keeping your money in their bank account.
Ben and his wife moved in with her parents to save on rent, as their nest egg is doing little in the bank.
Having a decent rate of interest on your savings account is pretty important to me, because I know that my money is working for me and is working toward the future that I want.
When it comes to achieving the Australian dream, every cent counts.